Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Time to take a look at this cool little set from FunWhole. So this is the farm truck. We get this spotty looking Dalmatian dog, a lamppost there, and lights are also included. So that's the back there showing you how it's all lit up. We're going to take a look and see what we get inside. So, nice instruction booklet. They've always got really great instructions. Little sticker set there and something else. Let's see inside. So they tell us a little bit about the company. There's the picture of the set and the lights. Oh, so you don't get the batteries included, so they let you know which ones you need to get. Lucky I had some of those. I have some little minifigs here that you got to pop all together, and very easy to read instructions. They are very good with that. And how many steps? 122, yeah, 123 steps in this. So it just tells you about the set. And oh, I've got all those houses there. They are like really good. And what have we got? 2 little packets here. So they're the LED lights that are included. Here are the little minifigs. Yeah, we've got bags of stuff. There's lots of eggs there because it's a farmer's little truck. There's the spotty dog, loving that lime green apple, and we've got a blind seagull. 499 pieces, $30 US, and looking forward to this. Alrighty, let's review. Here's the first lady minifig. I'm loving her little blouse there that she has, and a little bit of printing at the back. Love her hairstyle. I'm just going to show you how they sit. Now, they can't really sit independently because they're round little bottoms, but they do look cute. And here's the farmer. He's wearing an apron and he's got a little carrot there in his pocket. Loving his stubble there on his face. He's got a little hat there and he's given us a little cough. Well, that's what it looks like with his arm up like that. So here's the framework of the car. Looks quite nice, but it is rather large. So it's 10 studs wide. So it's not a minifig scale as such. Here's the V8 engine, which I kind of really like. There's the lights, and here's the front fender. And I really like how that's built. So it's those sword or leaf parts. And I love them in this silver colour. Look really good, like great part quality. So now I just need to pop the bonnet on, and here it is. So it needs to clip in to the clip parts there, and you can lift it up so you can service your vehicle. It's really nice. I do like the sand green colour of this car also. So for this truck you had to build your doors, and I have to say I really like that. I love that they open. You just remove the window part there to pop your minifig in. There's the little stickers there for your side mirrors. Yeah, it's looking quite nice. And here's the roof, and you get an interior cabin light also. So they've thought of adding quite a few lights onto this truck. And the wires are very good quality. And you hold it in place here with this little plate. And I like that the wires are pretty much hidden as well, so they don't all poke out and stand out. Just pop that little chest there to hold it all together. It looks really nice so far. So here's the back of the truck. I love that silver bumper there on the back, and you open the boot there, got some chains, And here's the little light switch part that's hidden nicely in the truck also. Very easy to turn off and on. And now I've just popped in all the fruits and veggies and fish here. Loving how they use the mop heads for, I don't know what veggies they are. Maybe they're lettuces. Had to put stickers there on the pineapple. But all in all, it looks very colourful and nice. It's a bit odd having fish there as well, but you know, he's a market farmer seller, so lots of fruit and veg and fish for him to sell. And I'm just going to pop the farmer in, so open the door there, remove the little window, and I'll just stick him in here. Quite easy to put the window back, you don't really have to lift off the roof part there. Look at that, that looks cool. We're going to drive, no, we're not going to drive off because I've lost my back wheel. Uh-oh, hang on, I'm going to pop it back on. Okay, Mr. Fix-It came and fixed it. Loving that truck. Here's the little side build. So we've got some pumpkins and some eggs here in a basket. More of the fruit and veg, and this is where the farmer comes, pops his little sign up to sell his fruit and veg and fish. Loving that little lamppost with the blind seagull. Here comes the farmer, he's parking, and the ladies come along to buy some stuff. The FunWhole farm truck set. Cute little truck. I love that you get lights included, and they're very good quality LED lighting. Loving all the colours of the fruit and veg there on the back. It's not either minifig scale or a larger scale, but it looks really, really good. It looks great displayed, and you can play with it also. The quality of the bricks is really, really good. Highly recommend this set. So everyone, get your bricks out.